Hello students, in this video of multiple integral, we will see how to evaluate double integration. So basically, we will see how to find order of integration for double integral. So there are two cases when limits of region R are given, and the second case is when limits of region R are not given. So the first case when limits of region R are given. So now there are again three subcases. So first case is if limits of region R are of this form, where x varies from a to b and y varies from f1x to f2x. That means limits of x are constants and limits of y are functions of x. So in this case, we first integrate with respect to y by keeping x constant, and then we integrate with respect to x. So the double integral over R f of xy dx dy is equal to this, where we are first integrating with respect to y, this bracketed term, and then we are integrating with respect to x. So whenever limits of x are constants and limits of y are functions of x, order of integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Now the second case is when the limits of region R are of this form. Now limits of x are functions of y. X varies from g1 of y to g2 of y, and limits of y are constants. Y varies from c to d. So in this case, we first integrate with respect to x, keeping y constant, and then we integrate with respect to y. So the double integral f of xy dx dy over R is now this, where this bracketed term we will integrate with respect to x first and then with respect to y. So you can observe here, when limits of y are constants and limits of x are functions of y, order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So this is how we can choose order of integration. A variable whose limits are constant, like in this case limits of y are constant, by that variable we integrate at the end. Same thing happened for previous case also. Their limits of x are constant, so at the end we are integrating with respect to x. Now there is a third case also. What if all the limits are constants? Like here, x varies from a to b and y varies from c to d. So in this case, order of integration doesn't matter. You can choose any order of integration, and in both the cases we get same answer. So here, if this double integral f of xy dx dy over R, we can integrate first with respect to x and then with respect to y, or we can integrate it first with respect to y and then with respect to x. In both the cases we get same answer. So this is how we can decide order of integration when limits of region R are given. Now the second case is very important. What if limits of region R are not given? Instead of that, only the region R is given. Then we have to find the limits of region R, and then accordingly we have to choose order of integration. Now again there are two cases. So suppose this is region R. Now to find the limits, let's choose one vertical strip in this region R, this black strip in this region R, and now we will move this strip in this region from left to right so that it will cover the whole region R, like this. So you can observe here, this vertical strip cannot go left to this line x is equal to a, and it cannot go right to this line x is equal to b. That means this vertical strip will move only between these two lines, from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Similarly, the bottom of this vertical strip will vary according to the lower boundary of this region R. Okay, let's say y is equal to f1x as a lower boundary, and top of this vertical strip will vary according to the upper boundary of this region R. So let's say y is equal to f2x as the equation of this upper boundary of region R. So if we take any arbitrary point px comma y in this region R, you can observe here that x coordinate of p will be always between a and b, and the y coordinate of p will be always between f1x to f2x. So therefore here limits are x varies from a to b and y varies from f1x to f2x. So now as limits of x are constants and limits of y are functions of x, so we will first integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So this is how we can solve it. By choosing vertical strip, we got these limits. So you can observe here, when we choose vertical strip, limits of x are always constants and limits of y are functions of x. So therefore order of integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Now instead of vertical strip, you can choose horizontal strip also. So let us choose this horizontal strip in the same region R here. Now we have to move this strip from bottom to top so that it will cover whole region R, like this. Now here you can observe that this strip will not move below this line y is equal to c. It will be always above this line y is equal to c, and it will be always below this line y is equal to d. Also the left end of the strip will vary according to left boundary of region R, say x is equal to g1 of y, and the right end of the strip will vary according to the right boundary of this region R. Let's say x is equal to g2 of y as the equation of a right boundary of this region R. So therefore if you take any arbitrary point px comma y in this region R, now the y coordinate will be always between c and d, and x coordinate will be always between g1 of y to g2 of y. So therefore these are the limits of this region R. Now limits of y are constants here and limits of x are functions of y, and therefore order of integration will be first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So whenever we choose horizontal strip, order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So you can observe here, as x varies horizontally, okay, and y varies vertically. So you can, this is how you can keep this, you can remember this. If you want to integrate first with respect to x, you should always choose horizontal strip because x varies horizontally, okay. And if you want to choose or integrate first with respect to y, you should always choose a vertical strip because y varies vertically if you look at xy plane. So for a vertical strip, limits of x are constants, limits of y are functions of x, and therefore order of integration is first with respect to y and then with respect to x. For the horizontal strip, limits of y are constants, limits of x are functions of y, and therefore order of integration is first with respect to x and then with respect to y. Thank you.